Ready to witness the next big leap in the world of defense and technology? Don't miss this one. At Dubai Airshow 2025, Edge reaffirmed its global evolution through the launch of 42 new products, a powerful showcase of the UAE's defense industry, which is gaining increasing international recognition. From autonomous systems, smart weapons, propulsion, and space capabilities to radar and secure communications, everything took center stage in one spectacular event. Among a lineup of autonomous systems such as Omen, Vortex E, and Strike, one name stood out: Jernas-M. Curious to see it up close? Keep your eyes on the story. Amid the dynamics of modern warfare, which increasingly depend on efficiency and precision, Adasi, part of the Edge platforms and systems cluster, has made waves on the global defense stage by introducing Jernas-M, an evolution of its predecessor, Jernas-S. This medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aircraft is far more than a conventional surveillance platform. It is a tactical predator designed to dominate the airspace for extended periods. With a 10-meter wingspan, Jernas-M maintains a compact profile that allows high flexibility in complex combat environments, while carrying far deadlier capabilities than the previous series. Imagine a battlefield where secrecy and endurance are paramount. Jourus-M can remain airborne for up to 20 hours in an intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance configuration, silently loitering at altitudes of up to 24,000 feet, well beyond the reach of the naked eye. In real-world operations, this long-dwell ISR capability enables commanders to continuously monitor enemy movements without interruption, delivering crucial real-time intelligence. When a high-value target is identified, Jernas-M does not need to call in other air assets. With a payload capacity increased to 280 kilograms, nearly double that of Jernas-S, it can carry a range of precision munitions on its wing hardpoints, ready to execute accurate ground strikes at a moment's notice. The tactical edge of Jernas-M also lies in its advanced aerodynamic design. Featuring a canard configuration with winglets, the UAV offers exceptional stability during maneuvers in high-risk areas. Its internal combustion engine, drawing air from an intake above the fuselage, drives a powerful 4-blade propeller, delivering a maximum speed of up to 240 kilometers per hour. Operationally, a line-of-sight data link with a range of up to 200 kilometers ensures operators retain full control even when the aircraft operates deep behind enemy lines. This robustness is further supported by a structure that is moving toward a fully composite frame, which not only reduces weight, but also has the potential to increase the maximum takeoff weight to 1,200 kilograms in the future. For Adasi's designers, the transition from the S to the M model represents a smart strategic move. Because both variants share a similar form factor, the flight control system does not require a complete redesign, significantly accelerating development timelines. Nevertheless, scaling up critical components such as brakes and landing gear remains a key focus to ensure that this more than 1-ton aircraft can land safely on tactical runways. Jernas-M is scheduled for its maiden flight in late 2026, with mass production targeted for 2027. Given its specifications and capabilities, Jernas-M is expected to set a new standard in the compact medium-altitude long-endurance UAV category. It offers a balanced combination of extended endurance, substantial weapon payload, and logistical efficiency. In the future, the presence of Jernas-M will provide asymmetric advantages to its operators, transforming the management of ground combat through persistent surveillance and precision strikes from an unreachable sky. So, what do you think about the potential of Jernas-M? That's all for today.